Hi guys, so we are going to work on a 12 by 36 inch gallery wrapped canvas. I have a few colors here. I have iridescent pearl white by Goldens, mixed 50-50 with Floetrol and GAC 800. And then this is their iridescent gold fine by Golden, also mixed 50-50. So that's, when I say 50-50, I mean 50% Floetrol, 50% GAC 800, and then you just put some paint in until you get the consistency that you want. This color started off as black, and with that I added some of Modern Masters Sachet Red to it. So now I have this beautiful, rich brown color, and it's a metallic now, and I really love it. So I'm hoping to incorporate that also, and then I have just my black. So what I'm gonna start with is coating the canvas with the paint, and then I'm gonna do sort of like a Dutch pour with it, I think. So, I mean, I just wanted to paint, and I have really no direction in which I'm going for. I want to do the Dutch pour type of thing, but we'll see how it goes, and then we can make decisions and modifications. Or I'll just end up doing a Kathleen Osmore style swipe in the end. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll be right back. All right, so as you can tell, I've painted my edges because these paints tend to be thinner than usual, and I just want to make sure that I have complete coverage on the sides. I have my Yeeho white hair dryer, white, no, this is pink. I'm pretty sure this is pink. So my Yeeho pink hair dryer has very concentrated nozzle area, and it literally just pops on there and we're good to go. There's no hot or cool button, just a high, and I'm not quite sure what the heck is going on. I don't know. Let's see. Listen, it all sounds the same to me, so I'm not really gonna worry about it. But it does the job, and I can control my Dutch pours better that way. So I think that's it. We're just gonna get right to it. I'm going to put the black paint on the canvas, and then I think I want to put some of this wonderful rich metallic color. So I do sort of want to mix them up together. And we're gonna coat the canvas and move the paint around. So I think that's about all I'm gonna do there. And you're gonna see a little bit of the ring light, but I am gonna tilt it this way a little bit. And I'm gonna stretch out that area. Of course, it's not easy to keep your cups in the right area. There we go. So that is what I'm gonna do at the base. So hopefully you guys can see the colors and how beautiful it's all meshed together. Really made a pretty design on the canvas. Sorry, I'm just really concentrating on how much I move off on the ends. It's not easy holding this canvas out. It's like a bicep workout. All right, so I think that's gonna be that for now. What we're going to start with is some black. And then I'm going to come in with right, maybe we'll just do it this way because it seems like it's going to go a lot easier if I and then the gold. And maybe we'll do, now I'm afraid the red will probably turn it. Let's add a little bit of blue. And I'm going to blow this out. Maybe a little more white. It's very fluid, so we'll see how this. So I think what I'm gonna do is probably leave it alone at this point. I think. I really just feel like there's too much gold in here. Maybe a touch of the blue. Let me blow that out. There we go. Much better. So I'm going to be super stoked if this dries just as it is, because it is so cool. I'm really excited to hopefully be able to show this to you dry. I've never done a marbleized base Dutch pour. So it was new for me, and I'm happy with the results. And hopefully it will dry well. And you'll be able to see the dried results coming up next. Okay guys, here we are. Now I'm hoping, see, you can see the red brown with the black. I come over here and you can really see it. I can't wait to see what it looks like in the sun when it dries. Hopefully perfect, just like as we see it. So, really loving the outcome of this piece. And I'm really interested to see how it looks against the sort of like marbleized, blown out background. Yeah, I love this piece. Yeah, there's a lot going on here, but I don't want to touch it because these cells have come up. And I'm really excited to see how this dries. So if I haven't already said that, there is the whole piece. I think you can see it minus the glare. And there are all the pretty bits and details. So guys, thanks so much for coming along with me. Stay tuned. If this dried well, you're gonna see the dried results. And I'll go from there. All right, thanks guys. Okay guys, here are the dried results. It has turned out awesome. Oops. And I love the mix of color in the background, the little marbleized bit. It almost looks like wood grain. So I'm super happy with the outcome and the dried results and all the details. And all the cells. So I'm really looking forward to varnishing this piece and watching those colors just come out in the iridescence. I love the iridescence of the white. That white iridescence is so pretty. So that is the dried result. Sorry if it's shaky. Trying to balance and film at the same time. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to tune in tomorrow for the 4th of July parade with 7 amazing artists. Have a great weekend and stay safe.